In a world where bonds are tested and family is everything, the Villanueva family, once inseparable, is about to face their greatest challenge.
Ako yung lagi nandyan para sa kanya.
At least I was doing something with my life. Ikaw na laging paborito sa akin, di ba? Laging nakasa sa kanila. Tama na nga yan! Ito tandaan mo. Hindi pa ako tapos sa'yo. Tandaan mo, kaya-kaya kitang tapatan.
Ano? Hindi ba kayo titigil? Kayo ang papatay sa akin!
Starring kay Clarence Dombrique as Anton,
Richmond John Galope as John, Atea Saira Aranas as Alex, Erin Shiloh Kasaway as Isa, Priya Elise Stoller as Marilyn, and Kurt Marquez as Emiliano. United by love and determination, they will discover that true family is worth fighting for. Prepare for an unforgettable journey of love, resilience, and the power of family.
Ma, kamusta ka na? 2 buwan ka nang wala. Pero parang kahapon lang.
Quattro Production presents Turn Back Time.